Hello, today I want to share how to set battery power setting on ubuntu. In one of my videos, I share how to set battery threshold setting on ThinkPad using Lenovo Vintage software, but this time I will use TLP to adjust power setting on my Ubuntu. So first time we need to go to add repository and we have to update by using sudo apt update. So after that, you have to install the um, software by using the command sudo apt install tlb and um, tlb.rtw. So and after installation of this software, you have to start the service tlb.service, and then you need to check your service already start or not. So if you confirm that TLB service is successfully running, and you can start checking your battery configurations by typing sudo tlb sdat-b. That's b mean the battery. Okay, so now in my machines, make a setting like this. I start using from 7. It will start charging when it becomes 70, and it will start charging when it becomes 75. And you can now see here. It's now the connection is not charging because it's 71. Okay, and my setting is from 70 to 75. So now let's unplug the charger. Now it's showing us discharging. So I will use is from 71, it become 69. It should start charging around 70, but to be sure I may wait around it become 69. So now you can see that the battery percentage is showing 69. So now I plug in again the power source and showing that it start charging. Okay, it will start charging up to the setting that I set it, because I put the setting to 75. It will charge. It will stop charging and at when it's become to 75. But in my case, it stopped charging when it's become 74. Okay. While we are waiting for the charging to be disconnected, let's check about some comments. So you can set the charging to be sudo tlb start charge. The first one should be the battery you want to start charging, and the second one should be the numbers that you want to stop charging battery percentage. And how will you type BAT0 or BT1? You can check in the sudo tlb status.b setting, because some laptop they have two battery, so it should be BAT0 or BAT1. It depends on your setting, but you can check it by using the sudo tlb that status.b, and you can see that. Okay. Next thing I want to explain about that is, if this one TLB have a default setting in tlb.com file, but if you want to create your own configuration file, please put only in etc tlb.d00 template.conf5, so that if you mix or if you make some wrong the setting, if you want to go back to the default setting, it will be easy. They also suggest to only edit in template file, or you can make it any configuration file, so it will override the default settings. But as for me, this default setting from TLB is still good. So only I have to use it what time I will start charging and what time I want to stop charging. That settings only I write. That one also no need to go in configuration file. You can change by the command line. Okay, now my battery reached to charging to the 74% already, so it should be stop charging. Even though I put something to 75, in my experience, it stopped charging at 74. Okay, and now you can see it's not charging. That means you are using the laptop from the AC powered, not using your battery. So if you really use the, if you always plug in on the, if you have a habit that you always use your laptop with the power, it will be better to put your setting to start charging at 40 and stop charging at 50. This setting will be fine. But it's for me, most of the time I'm using on the battery, so this setting is fine for me. And on the award page, you can say, you can check which brands of laptop is suitable for this TLB software, uh, including MacBook, Asus. You can check there. And you can check the setting that you configure and their default setting by typing the command tlb sudo. It should use with the sudo tlb that std that dot should be dot cdiff, so that you will see the different configuration, that is your own settings and their default settings. I hope this video were helpful for you. Thanks for your watching.